Looking to improve your commercial space in Murfreesboro, TN? Discover the power of professional commercial window tinting services with Tint Guy LLC. Our premium films reduce glare, enhance privacy, and cut energy costs without compromising natural light. Whether you manage an office, storefront, or multi-story building, we've got a custom tinting solution for you. Did you know tinted windows can block up to 99% of harmful UV rays? That means better protection for your employees, customers, and merchandise. Plus, our commercial-grade films give your property a sleek, professional appearance. Why choose Tint Guy LLC? Over 15 years of local experience, licensed and insured professionals, clean, precise installation. Done right the first time, we work around your schedule, ensuring minimal disruption to your business. Join the hundreds of Murfreesboro business owners who've already upgraded their windows. Hear it straight from our clients. Tint Guy saved us thousands on energy bills. Our team will walk you through every step, from consultation to installation. Call Tint Guy LLC today for your free commercial window tinting estimate. Tint Guy LLC, your local pros for professional commercial window tinting services in Murfreesboro, TN. Call now or visit our website to book your appointment.